there is a growing unease within ZANU-PF over the rising influence of wealthy business figures seeking to buy their way into the ruling party's structures, a trend that is alarming long-serving officials. Tsapenda mashikomba toka panguva ino kuonekwa kunzi ZANU-PF yohijackiwa nevakomana vane mari, kuonekwa kunzi vakomana vari who saved the party ava kubva makare vakutofila threatened kuti zvapfana zvakupinda panguva iri zvinoakwipaya ava matop positions panguva ino vari kuda kumboitei, and zvinhu zviri kutoshamisa ndongo subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina panapa muna mobudani kwa mchinzi. It is imaged that party members are accepting money in exchange of positions as cash-rich individuals attempt to capture the party's organs. ZANU-PF leaders in Mashonaland West have raised the alarm over the matter, warning members against selling the party to Moneybags. The warning was issued during a provincial coordinating committee meeting in Chinhoyi, where ZANU-PF provincial chairperson Mary Muliswa Chikoka launched a blistering attack on members she accused of auctioning positions to wealthy aspirants. Muliswa alleged that some officials had approached prominent businessmen including Paul Tungwarara and Wikino Chivayo, inviting them to take up positions in the province. Some members have approached people like Tungwarara. Some approached Wikino, asking them to come here to do what? She said, because people now want money, they want to sell positions in the party. We don't want that. We don't want that as a party. Her remarks were backed by Politburo member and Justice Minister Ziyambi, who indicated that ZANU-PF is clear constitutional procedures for filling the party post. Positions are not for sale in the party, Ziyambi said. The commissariat has not spoken, the Politburo has not spoken, yet positions are already being sold. If this continues, we will recommend that the co-option process be stopped. The warnings came as ZANU-PF in Mashonaland West was preparing to fill the Makonde Central Committee seat left vacant by Mike Chimombe, who is currently serving a jail sentence for fraud linked to a government court scheme involving more than 57 million. Bila comment section medu za funguro enyi matukudipa msoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.